Hey, it's Lou Bortone with Lou's Reviews, and today we're going to look at a really cool video software called InVideo. Now, there's a lot of cool stuff about InVideo. It's flexible, it's easy to use, the learning curve isn't very steep, and the price can't be beat. Just 10 bucks a month, or you can sign up for free. Another really great thing about the InVideo software is that you can do a lot of different kinds of videos, different formats, different styles. You can do video ads, you can do video Instagram that's vertical, you can do traditional video, you can do video ads or square ads, and they give you 3 different ways or 3 different options for starting and creating your video. You can convert your script to a video using a blog post or an article. You can use one of their ready-made versatile templates, or you can build your own video from scratch. So it's pretty easy to use, and I'm going to show you a few of the different ways that you can use this and put it all together. So it's gotten great reviews so far. I've been using it for several weeks, and I'm going to put on my screen here, my InVideo screen, and start from scratch here and show you. So let's do this ready-made versatile templates option. This is option 2. So let's click that, start a project. And then you can see here, you can select your format. You can do a traditional horizontal video, you can do a square video, or you can do a vertical video. And you can also select between promo videos, Instagram videos, video ads, testimonials, product videos, Instagram stories, Snapchat ads, bumper ads, intro, outro. Let's do an intro, outro, because that's really quick and easy. So let's click on that. We are going to, these all seem to be horizontal, which is totally fine. But if you mouse over the template, it will give you an idea of what it looks like in terms of, these are logo reveals. So these are really easy to do. They're great for branding. It's always good to have these at the beginning or the end of your videos. So there's colored smoke, there's business reveal. You can look at all the different styles and formats and then pick one that you like. I'm gonna pick this one for now, business logo reveal. Click on that. It even comes with music, which is awesome, and you can change or customize the music, which is even better. And it will play and show you what it looks like. This one is 6 seconds long. And again, if you decide that you want to make it a square format, like an ad, you can certainly do that. I'm going to stick with 16 by 9, and I'm going to click Start with this template. Now, what you can do is you can upload your logo in here, and you can also change the music. You can add all kinds of cool little bells and whistles here. But for the time being, what I'm going to do is, now if I wanted to put a video or an image in here, I would just search for that. But I already have my logo uploaded, so I'm going to go over to Uploads, and I'm going to take this logo and replace it with this logo, like that. Now I can resize that. That's pretty small, so I'm going to make it bigger, mucho bigger. Sort of center it in here. There we go. That'll tell you when it's centered. And I don't want these, for the time being, I don't want these other things in here, so I can just delete those. Or if I wanted to change them, like if I wanted to put my Twitter ID in here, I would just do like, you know, @Bortone. Maybe I'll leave that one just for fun. And we'll take the Instagram one out as well. So that's pretty much it. I mean, all I did was upload my logo, switch it out with the logo here. And again, if I had text in here, or I could add text, if I wanted to put my website or something like that, I can go over here. I can add text. I can choose my fonts here. They've got all these different fonts. I can change the style, the color, the size, all that kind of stuff. These are what's called brand colors. These are custom. You can change them to whatever you want. So if I wanted to try and pick up the colors in my logo, I could do that. And the lovely little preview down here will just show you pretty much what it's going to look like. So let's roll it. not bad. Now that's without the music. Oops, it only, oh, there we go. I was worried about my little Twitter thing there, but it looks like it's going to be okay. All right, so now I want to go over to music here. Actually, let me show you this one here too. There's enhancers. They've got all kinds of crazy stickers or icons. I mean, if I wanted to add some bells and whistles to this, I could do that with graphics, or this one's call to actions. So once that loads, we'll see what that is. So if I wanted to, I could do, you know, like a sign up button or buy now button and just drag it over. And if this video was for an opt-in video or something like that, maybe I'd have a sign up button that I'd bring over like that. Adding. See, and I can move it once it's on there. But for now, we're going to get rid of that. And we're going to go over to music. And here you can see, yeah, I want angry, of course. You can see all the different categories of music that they have for your logo. Now this video is only 6 or 7 seconds long, so it's going to be pretty quick. If I just pick something that I say, let's do, you know, more romantic, how about bright? And then I can listen and see what each one sounds like. I don't like these so far. Yeah, those are not doing it for me. I'm going to try a different genre. You can upload your own music as well if you decide to do that. Let's try funky instead. Oh, I'm having trouble here. Let's see, this one's a little too slow. That sounds a little like Ocean's 11, so I'll do that one. Select. All right, so now that music is added to the video, I can preview it and export it like this. Let's take a look at it one more time, make sure it looks okay. 7 seconds, I can export it if I like it, or I can continue editing. Okay, aside from the fact that the little Bortone part didn't come out quite right, it looks okay. I'm just going to get rid of this because I want to keep it really clean. Get rid of the whole Twitter thing. And I'm going to make this a little bit bigger, I think. And we will make sure that that's kind of nice and centered. There we go. All right, now I'm going to do my preview and export one more time and see what it looks like. That's it. Simple. I'm going to hit export. It's going to do its thing here. Doesn't take long, and then I'll get an email notification when it's done. Usually something like this is pretty quick. So now it's going to bring me back to my videos here. I didn't name this one. I can rename it logo reveal or something like that. Hi Rocco. What's up, dog? Rocco is here. Rocco the Pug, once again, making his presence felt. All right, so now I've got that here. I'm going to save it. It's processing, and when it's done, we'll come back and show you one more time. So that's how easy it is, again, to go in here and pick a template. You can convert a script to a video. Again, you can pick your size. I like this, I don't like the name, but I like this list thing because you can basically say, you know, here's 5 of my favorite apps or 5 things you can do with video. I could pick that one. And if I said start with this template, all I would have to do is build out the 5 points. So this might be the headline, and then this might be number 1. And then just build it out. I'll show you one that I created like that. That was a top 5 thingy. And again, you can upload your own footage, or you can upload your script here. So basically you just put in your text, and little by little you build it out till you have your 5. You could do a search for videos. Let's say that you wanted to do something to do with books. Just search books and it will show you images or videos for books. And all you would have to do is take one of those and drag it over like this. And then that's going to be your clip. And again, there'll be text over it and stuff like that. You can change the length just by dragging this, and then you can click done. And then if I had text in here, it would show that as well. And then if I click preview, it'll show me what that's going to look like. It won't have the watermark on it when it's done. So again, I just drag and drop from here. I can also do images if I want. Let's see, since Rocco the pug is roaming around, we'll do pug and see what comes up there. Oh, isn't that cute? And then you can just bring this over. This one looks like Rocco here. And there you have it. So it's drag and drop, it's really easy. You can basically create your video with each scene. If you want to get into even more detail, you'd go to Advanced Editor up here. And that's going to show you the actual scene where you have more control, where you can move things around, change colors, change fonts, change, maybe I don't want to block the dog, so I bring this over here or something like that. And then it's also going to show you the scenes that you've created thus far. So the more scenes you add, those will all appear down here. And you can even change the transitions here. So if I say, hey, I want to zoom from one to the other, I just change the transition right here. So that gives you a lot more control. Again, you've got your crazy overlays here. So if I wanted to do grunge effects on top of this, I just drag something over like this and add it. And then when I preview it, I mean, that's not the best effect for this because it kind of wipes out the whole scene, but you get the idea. It'll just kind of add that overall effect to that scene. So that may be a little too much, but again, you could add different kinds of effects. If you wanted to, you could add grunge effects, light leaks. What is this? This is kind of like a golden rain effect or something. Let's see if we do that one. Adding. And then we preview that. And let's see what that looks like. Oops, I don't want to duplicate that. Let's hit the wrong button. Preview. So yeah, you can see that cool little effect coming in there. It's light leaks, snow, smoke, retro, just all kinds of stuff. So that's overlays. You've also got stickers and icons. You've got layouts. So if you want more than one image in a scene, you just click two images, and then in that case, you'd have one on one side and one on the other side. So there's a ton of things you can do to customize this. Again, here's your text. But the other great thing is that you don't have to add all these bells and whistles and all this customization, so you can just create it based on the templates. So let's go back here again. What we were doing there was doing convert script to video. We had already made a logo reveal with this templates, and as you'll see, besides just the logo reveal template that we used, there are a ton of templates in different sizes and different categories. So it's really just, if you want to do a vertical video, that's totally fine. You can do it like that. Like if you're doing Instagram video, you pick that. You've got these video ads. You can go that way. You can do promo videos. Instagram stories is vertical. So again, if you mouse over any of these templates, it will show you what that will look like. So this one is like a sale on an Instagram story. But you can create those videos really quickly because you've already got the templates here. All you have to do is switch out their images or videos with yours, and switch out the text with yours as well. So they're really easy to use. Again, this one is and if you don't like the music, you can change that as well. So if you click start with this template, it's an Instagram story, so it's going to be vertical. You know, if that color is too much for you, you can change that. You can obviously change the image. This one has 2 images. So it's really easy to change. Again, you can change the colors if you want on the templates. Very flexible, very easy to use, and very affordable. So this is InVideo, one of the best video creation tools I've come across in a long time, because of its flexibility and because of its ease of use. And again, if you can just start from absolute scratch if you want, and you pick your size, like if you're doing a video for YouTube or Facebook, it's probably going to be 16:9, and you can bring in your own images. You can add images from their collections. So again, if I wanted to do my hug and I hit video, it's going to show me all these lovely hug videos, and all I have to do is drag and drop. Now this one is 6 seconds. I can make it shorter if I want. And then if I say done, I'm probably gonna have to move my text so it doesn't get on my pug's face. And again, I can change the colors. So you can start from scratch if you want, totally. So change that to yellow, change it to whatever we wanted to. We could, maybe we would want to change the font, you know, anything that you want to do, you can totally do that. So it's really, really flexible and pretty easy to learn. They say, and I agree, that you can totally learn the software and be cranking out videos in under an hour. You saw that I did the logo reveal in, you know, just a few minutes. So check it out. I'll put the link below or in the comments, and I will also add to this the 5 video that I did with InVideo, so you can see what one of the finished videos looks like as well. So that's Lou's Reviews. Hope you enjoy it, and we will catch you next time. Bye for now. So let's show you what that logo reveal looks like. It's really simple, but we'll show you what the finished product looks like here. And the great thing is it comes with the music, so you can edit the whole thing in InVideo without having to go into Final Cut or YouTube or finding music, because the music came with it. And even though that was a longer piece of music, it fades itself out at 7 seconds like it's supposed to. Let's take a look at one more that I made the other day using the listicles, is what they call it. And this was pretty easy to create. Let me just put this back here. This was one that I did with one of their list building. So you can make a list of 5 best or 10 best or whatever. And this is what I created with that. So that's the whole video made with InVideo pretty quickly. Again, it was just 5 or 6 scenes. Obviously, I uploaded this one. The other images and videos were taken right from the InVideo software. I just searched something like video, and then I put this video wall up. I searched YouTube, and there's a whole bunch of YouTube clips. I used this flaggy one, Facebook, same thing. So it's all self-contained and very easy to use.